Hi everyone, welcome to Lego Store. Today we're learning ABCs, so let's get started. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for egg. F for frog. G for goat. H for hat. I for ice cream. I like ice cream. Ice cream is my favorite to eat. J for jellyfish. K for kangaroo. L for lion. M for milk. N for nest. O for octopus. P for pin. Q for quiet. R for radio. S for Sriana. T for train. U for umbrella. V for van. W for wagon. X for X-ray. Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra. Yay! Now what else we can do? Now let's learn about sounds. Why it just come to me? B. E. No. G. J. Kick. Wait, look my mouth shape. It's O shape. That's so cool. It even makes the O sound. Qua. Type of mad. My name starts with S. Up. My sister name starts with V. Called what's up? Type of bad. Wah. Yeah. A. B. Where's she? Oh, here's she. C. D. E. F. G. H. I. J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Okay, let's sing it. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. No, I, A, B, C. Next, I want you to sing with me. Good job!